This smells amazing. Hi guys, today I want to share with you what I eat after an evening of binge eating. Okay you guys, so I'm starting with a very healthy breakfast. We got 3 eggs scrambled with spring onion and 2 pieces of baguette toasted with some cream cheese. I'm starting healthy because yesterday I ate the whole pack of chips and the whole pack of cookies, and then I was crying half of the night because my belly was hurting. So yep, trying to stay healthy and never do this mistake again. I also had a banana for lunch and I drank this very healthy drink. So this is what I drink every morning before I eat. Is this organic wheatgrass powder. You're supposed to put like 3 or 2 small spoons to your cup and put some water into it. And yeah, and then you drink it. And I was reading about it, and it's supposed to like help you with your digestion, help you with your skin, detoxify your body, and like it's supposed to have like so many antioxidants and stuff. And yeah, I don't know, I've been drinking it for like a week and I feel more energetic actually. So yeah, I've been drinking this wheatgrass powder for a week now, a week and a half, and I feel like I have more energy, and maybe my skin condition is a little bit better. I don't know, but yeah, I will continue to drink it and we'll see what happens, I guess. And by the way, it's like 2:30 p.m. right now. I'm still in my PJs. Today is the day of pajama. I've been editing videos and stuff, but for lunch or like pre-dinner or my dinner, actually I don't eat early morning, so I count my first meal as a brunch, like a mix of breakfast and lunch. Yeah, so for dinner I think I'm gonna do a salad, and I have some leftover dumplings, and yeah, let's go prepare. Okay, so let's prepare the salad. I'm balancing you on my cup. Hopefully it will not drop. Sorry for the setup. My kitchen is really freaking small because this apartment is like 5 square meters or something. So yeah, let's try. So this salad is really easy. You can make it with basic ingredients I have here. So you start with your tomatoes. I like to use cherry tomatoes because they are easier to cut, but you can use the normal ones too. Then we will add some cucumber. I also will add some cilantro because I'm afraid it's gonna go bad. Also feta cheese. I like to use the one with the reduced fat. A lime, and I'm gonna also add some peppers. Okay, so I washed my peppers and I'm gonna use half of this because it's pretty big, and I'm just doing salad for myself in the smaller bowl. Put all the ingredients here and I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator for like 20 minutes, so it's gonna get ready. So yeah. Please take a minute to subscribe and like this video, and if you want more recipes like this, please let me know and I will put this one in the description. Thank you! This smells amazing. Okay, so now my salad is done. I mixed it well and I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. My dinner isn't until 5 p.m. so yeah, it's gonna chill in the fridge for like 1 hour and a half. Also, you guys, I want to give you one tip. Do not get out of the house if you are hungry. Yes, if you are trying to lose weight or maintain like a healthy lifestyle, the best thing is to just eat before you go out, and then you can like go shopping or whatever, and you will not crave like all those junky stuff or like restaurant stuff or McDonald's and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I do before I go out. And I also want to say that it's Thursday and I didn't go to the gym this week, so today is definitely the day I have to go. Like at least 3 times a week I try to go, so fingers crossed. Okay, so now I'm craving something sweet, so I decided to order those Carmen's protein bars. This one is salted caramel flavor. It's like full of nuts and like seeds and stuff, and it has 10 grams of protein per bar. So if I crave something sweet, I just try to stay away from Snickers and chocolate and stuff like that. So I just use this one. I guess it's pretty good. I like it a lot. I'm watching One Day, continuing my day in pajamas. Okay, you guys, so here are the leftover dumplings. I put them to boil, and after I put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of olive oil, truffle oil, and yeah, I'm gonna have this. And this is how the salad turns out. Feta salad, very easy, very delicious, and yeah, I'm gonna eat it now. Actually, I don't like olives, and this has olive in it. I'm gonna just bite into one, and I really don't know how to feel about it, but it's fine, I guess. Okay, so now it's about 7 p.m. and I'm gonna take those collagen pills. You're supposed to take like 4 of them at the end of the day. So yeah, this brand is called J Fancy. It's Japanese. So yeah, I got it as a gift, and yeah, I'm just trying it out, see if it works, if anything changes, and yeah, we'll see. And then I'm gonna just work out and take a shower and just go back to sleep, I guess. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you think in the comments, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.